Welcome back to your favorite farming channel, where today's battle is nothing short of legendary. It's Massey Ferguson versus New Holland. Two giants at agriculture, two powerhouses of productivity. But the question remains, which one truly deserves the crown of King of the Fields? Stay tuned as we break it down. Power, performance, technology, and value. Let's start with Massey Ferguson, a name trusted by farmers across the globe. Known for its rugged durability, easy maintenance, and efficient fuel consumption, the Massey lineup, especially models like the MF240 and MF385, are perfect for small to medium farms. With Perkins engines, they provide strong torque even at low RPMs, ensuring steady performance in plowing, harvesting, and towing. Now switch to New Holland, a brand that screams innovation and advanced farming. New Holland tractors like the NH480 and NH70-56 offer excellent hydraulics, smooth gear shifting, and higher lifting capacity. Their Fiat-built engines deliver a punch when it comes to heavy-duty tasks and long hours in the field. Talking about fuel efficiency, Massey Ferguson is the clear winner in light-duty operations. But if your work includes continuous operations or bigger implements, New Holland uses slightly more fuel but gets more done faster. In terms of maintenance and spare parts, Massey tractors are widely praised for being simple, affordable, and locally available. New Holland, while a bit higher in maintenance cost, offers longer service intervals and premium build quality. Farmers who prefer Massey say, "It never lets me down during harvest season," while New Holland users say, "It's powerful, comfortable, and runs like a dream, even with a heavy load." So who wins? If you're looking for low cost, simplicity, and dependability, Massey Ferguson might be your king. But if you prefer advanced tech, higher output, and premium features, New Holland may just take the throne. But in the end, it all depends on your land, your workload, and your farming goals. So tell us in the comments, which one do you think is the king of the fields? Massey or New Holland? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real tractor showdowns and honest farming insights. Till next time, keep farming, keep growing,